This is our last circuit before stretches. The first exercise of this circuit is lunge walker. Stand upright with both of your hands behind your neck. Then take a step forward so that your right knee touches the ground and so that your left leg is in front of your right knee. Then return to the upright position and repeat with the right leg. Ten more seconds, guys. Keep up the good work. The second exercise of this circuit is back leg kick. Get into a position so that your shins and hands are all on the ground. Lift one leg behind you and then kick it upwards. And repeat with the other leg. Now let's switch legs. Another exercise down. The third exercise of this circuit is table. Your feet and hands are going to remain on the ground and your back will be facing the ground. Lift your bottom up and down and repeat. We're almost there. Don't give up. The fourth exercise of this circuit is side spree using your right leg. Lay on the left side of your body and first kick your right leg up and down, up and down. Now support yourself off of the ground and bend your left leg. Continue kicking your right leg up and down. The final exercise of the circuit is side spree on the left side. You're going to lay on the right side of your body and kick your left leg up and down. Now support your body so that your torso is off of the ground. Bend your right leg and continue kicking your left leg up and down. Good job, guys, we finished! Please let me know in the comments below if there are any workouts that you would like to see and how I can improve my workouts for you in the future. Thank you for watching until the end of my workout, and please stay safe and stay healthy. There will be more workouts to come.